Yo, what's up everybody? It's DrStar Fix here. So you're trying to decide between a laptop and a desktop in 2025? Yeah, it's still a thing. Whether you're rocking a heavy editing workflow, streaming the latest games, or just trying to finish that term paper, this decision can completely change your experience. But don't worry, we're going to break it all down. We're talking portability, performance, budget, the works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. All right, let's kick things off with portability. I mean, it's in the name, right? Laptops are designed to move. They're slim, they're light. You can literally take them anywhere. Coffee shop warriors, campus cruisers, I see you. Desktops, not so much. They're the stay-at-home type, comfortable in their space, hooked up to all the peripherals. Now, that doesn't mean one is inherently better than the other. It all depends on your needs. If you're constantly on the move, jumping between classes, or working remotely from, well, everywhere, a laptop is your best bet. That freedom to work wherever inspiration strikes is priceless. But let's be real, that portability comes at a cost. And I'm not just talking about the price tag. Desktop screens are just bigger, which is a game changer for productivity and overall experience. Plus, you've got the comfort of a full-sized keyboard and mouse. Trust me, your wrists will thank you. So if you're more of a stationary user, a desktop might be the way to go. Okay, now let's talk power. When it comes to raw performance, desktops have the edge. We're talking beefier processors, dedicated graphics cards that can handle anything you throw at them, and RAM for days. And the best part, upgradability. Need more storage? Swap out the hard drive. Want to boost your graphics? Pop in a new GPU. It's like building your own custom beast, piece by piece. Laptops, on the other hand, are more limited. They've gotten seriously powerful, don't get me wrong, but they're still confined by their compact design. Upgrading is usually a pain, if not impossible, and heat management is always a concern. Now, for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and light work, most laptops will do just fine. But if you're into serious gaming, video editing, or anything that requires heavy lifting, a desktop is the way to go. You just can't beat that raw power and flexibility. Chapter 3, let's talk money. For the same price, you can usually get a more powerful desktop than a laptop. Why? Because you're not paying for the portability premium. With desktops, you're getting more bang for your buck in terms of raw performance. But hold on, there's a catch. With a desktop, you're going to need to factor in the cost of peripherals, monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, the list goes on. Laptops, on the other hand, are an all-in-one package. You open it up and you're ready to roll. So, who wins the budget battle? It depends. If you're on a tight budget and don't need to move around much, a desktop is the way to go. But if you value portability and convenience, a laptop might be worth the extra cost. Chapter 4. All right, let's break it down by usage. For all my students out there, laptops are a no-brainer. They're perfect for taking notes in class, working on assignments at the library, or just chilling with Netflix in your dorm room. Plus, they're super portable, so you can easily take them to study groups or coffee shops. Gamers, listen up. If you're serious about your games, you need a desktop. They offer the best performance, the latest graphics cards, and customizable cooling solutions to keep everything running smoothly. Plus, you've got that big, beautiful monitor for an immersive gaming experience. For office work and working from home, laptops with docking stations offer the perfect balance of portability and productivity. You can easily connect to external monitors, keyboards and mice for a full desktop experience when you need it, and then unplug and take your work on the go when you don't. Video editors, you know the drill. Desktops are the industry standard for a reason. They offer the processing power, storage capacity and RAM you need to edit 4K videos and beyond without breaking a sweat. Chapter 5. Let's be real, tech doesn't last forever. But when it comes to durability and repairs, desktops have the edge. They're built like tanks with individual components that can be easily replaced if something goes wrong. Spilled coffee on your keyboard? No problem, just swap it out. Graphics card on the fritz, get a new one, easy peasy. Laptops, on the other hand, are a bit more delicate. Their compact design means that components are more tightly integrated, making repairs more difficult and expensive. And if something major goes wrong, you're often better off just replacing the entire laptop. Plus, let's not forget about battery life. Laptops are great until that dreaded low battery warning pops up. Desktops, they're plugged in, always ready to go. No battery anxiety here. So, there you have it, the ultimate laptop versus desktop showdown. At the end of the day, the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. There's no right or wrong answer, just the right tool for the job. Hit the like button if this helped you decide, and let me know down in the comments. Are you team laptop or team desktop? Make sure you subscribe to DrStar Fix for more tech breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.